here would be an assembly package. This would be your assembly drawing. You're now going to generate your pick and place report. You're going to do your test point report again. You're going to do your Gerber files for your solder paste mask if it's needed, and then your bill of materials. These are all outputs that you can do from Altium output job file. And then, of course, the target that it's going to look at there on that list. All right? So between that master list I showed you and the fabrication and the assembly packages, you have a pretty good grasp of what you need as far as documents are concerned. So this may vary accordingly. So keep that in mind.